Welcome sa panibago nating tutorial. Sa video na ito pag-aaralan natin ang huling El Bimbo by Eraserheads. At para updated ka sa mga bago pa nating tutorial, don't forget to subscribe. Okay, simulan na natin. Okay, ang mga chords na gagamitin natin ay G, A7, C, E minor, at D. Okay, pagdating sa G, first string ay second fret, second string third fret, and third string ay second fret. Next ay A7, third string ay first fret. Next ay C, first string ay third fret. Next ay E minor, first string second fret, second string third fret, and third string ay fourth fret. Next ay D, second string, third string, at fourth string ay second fret. Okay, pagdating naman sa strumming pattern, ang gagamitin natin ay down, down, up, up, down, 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 up. Okay, try natin sa G. Down, down, up, up, down, 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 up. And then A7. Down, down, up, up, down, 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 up. C. And then G. Down, down, up, up, down, 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 up. Okay, ulit. Down, down, up, up, down, 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 up, down. Down, down, up, up, down, 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 up, down. Down, up, up, down, 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 up. Okay, yan po ang intro at verse natin. And then, pagdating naman sa chorus, ang mga chords na gagamitin natin ay G, A7, at C. Strumming pattern, down, down, up, up, down, 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 up. Okay, try natin sa G. Down, down, up, up, down, 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 up. A7, C, and then G. And then, pagdating naman sa bridge, ganun pa rin po yung chords at strumming pattern. Okay, dito na po nagtatapos ang ating tutorial. Sana po ay may natutunan kayo. At kung nahirapan naman po kayo, ay practice lang at pakukuha nyo rin yan. Abangan nyo na lang po ang susunod nating tutorial.